This is Preston White and Ryan Trahan. Ryan has over 14 million subs on YouTube, and this was a big moment.
Like any friends who know this type of stuff, but he said Jon Phenom. So.
Also a big moment, collabing with Gary Asianet of T-Shirt Help Desk. Also collabed with my people at Heat Press Nation. I jumped on their podcast, Customizing Culture. Shout out Wes, I did some content for Bella Canvas. Big shout out to T-Shirt Buddy and all my apparel content creators at ISS Show. Also in October, I turned another year wiser with my identical twin brother Alex. Flew out to Richmond and Norfolk, Virginia for the homies at Stomping Grounds. Second home, West Palm Beach, Florida. Over the years, I can't count how many adventures I've had from Miami to West Palm. Also connecting with my brothers Mark the Barber and Ricky of Zippitios. Also returned to my third trip to Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is always a vibe. I did a quick 4 days in Bangkok, Thailand to meet with DJ Fingers. The metropolis in Thailand always has a crazy view. Back in the Philippines, I stayed 1 month in BGC and it was crazy to take in this new city in Manila. This reel with over 24,000 views has my Ate Marie and my Kuya Jojo, who are both principals at the Amplified group of companies. Many stories, new businesses, and old friends. Shout out Tines of Manila Connection, and several nights with my boy DJ Scratchmark, crazy rockstar vibes, and also this happened.
It look like Jon Phenom, bro. You know?
I was just gonna say that this never really happens to
This
me.
subscriber found me all the way in the Philippines. Thank you for the vibes. Next year, non-beta takeover.